Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Leica, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list. Tap on the dialer, tap on the three bars icon and go to your contacts. Now let's find the contact that you'd like to block and tap on it and scroll all the way down to find the option block numbers. Just tap on it. Here you've got the information that you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number, so just tap on block. And as you can see here, we've got this characteristic icon, and it means that the number has been blocked successfully. Of course, we can unblock it the same way, but let me leave it like this. We will check whether it will appear on the blacklist. So the second way of blocking the number requires entering the blacklist itself. So just tap on the three bars icon again and go to the settings. Here, let's go to blocked numbers, and as you can see, this is our blacklist. That's the number we blocked from our contacts. Here we can also tap on add a number and enter it manually. Tap on block and it will be immediately blocked. Moreover, at the top we've got the option unknown. You can turn it on and off just by using the switcher, and basically you can block the calls from all unidentified callers. If you'd like to unblock the number, just tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.